Hello and welcome to today's tutorial by Quick Tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix the issue of Aseprite crashing, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Before the video starts though, I want to mention one thing. So I would really appreciate the support with a like, with a subscribe, share, a comment. Everything helps basically, and I really would appreciate your help if you find my video at all helpful. So before we get into the video, I just want to say that I will show you some easy fixes that you might already have tried. For example, a restart. That's the first thing I'm going to mention, and later on I'm going to go more into the complex fixes which might help you prevent the crashing of the program. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, I want to recommend you to open your task manager and check all your background programs. So as you see, I have a ton of programs running in the back. None of them have a high impact on my CPU or memory, but as you can see, I have a 27% memory usage, and that's about average for my PC, so I don't have to worry about that. But basically, if you see that any program in the background which is not the program you're using is using a lot of memory, CPU or GPU, you should consider just closing it. And yeah, for example, I can show you a quick example. So for example, I have the Opera GX internet browser here. That's my preferred internet browser. So basically what I want to do is I want to press right click and press an end task, or do a left click on Opera GX internet browser and then press end task. Pretty simple, pretty easy fix. And what you can also do if you have the problem multiple times, if you restart your PC, the programs in the back are using a lot of GPU memory again, then you can manage your startup in the startup tab in the task manager, and just say, for example, yeah, I don't want Opera GX internet browser to start when my PC is started, or when I start my PC. So basically what you want to do is you want to press right click and then disable. Basically means that if you start your PC, you open Windows, you go on your desktop, it's not automatically starting Opera GX or any other program you have running in the back. And as you can see, it also has a high impact on my startup impact, and so it's pretty likely that the program, especially if you have a weak PC with not the best memory, not the best GPU, can have an impact on your performance and induce crashes of a program. Yeah. So another thing you can do, I can't show you an exact explanation, but if your program is like a program which based on a lot of projects, you want to delete temporary files regularly, you can do that by running a disk cleanup. Basically, how you can do that is you just type here disk clean up, open the app, and yeah, you can clean up your hard drive and your SSD as well. And I'm not gonna do that right now because it takes a lot of time. But if you didn't do this for a long time, I would recommend doing this because it can help to increase performance and prevent crashes of any given program. Yeah. So moving on to the next point, we have free hard drive space. So basically what you want to do, if your hard drive is full, if it has not a lot of free space. There can be an issue of the program for example can't create new files, which immediately shuts down the program and crashes it. So what you want to do is you want to have enough storage space, or for example use an external storage device, or upgrade your storage. And yeah, moving on to next fix, you type in program and go to add or remove programs. Basically what you want to do, you can do it in the normal settings, or you can also go to your control panel by typing control panel in the search bar, or just clicking on control panel if you have it, for example, on your desktop, and you can uninstall a program. It's pretty easy here. You just click on the program you want to deinstall, right click and uninstall. Pretty simple. You can also do this in your settings. It's a lot more appealing graphic wise. You can also just left click and then press uninstall. For example, if I want to uninstall Paint, if the previous fixes didn't help you, I would recommend doing it for once. And after that, if there's still an issue, which most of the time isn't the case, you will have to scan for malware, which is my next point, or scan for viruses and hardware conflicts. All of that I can't really show you because everyone has an individual firewall. For example, I'm just using Windows Defender. I can show you a quick example. You typed on Windows Defender, and for some reason it's in German because I'm not from the US, but yeah, it's English here. You can search for rules, or for example for any prevented action. If, for example, yeah, a lot of these applications are not allowed officially by my firewall, so there could be some issues with my firewall blocking some of the necessary background applications which are needed for the program to run, and this can of course lead to crashes. But yeah, most of the time I would just first of all run scan for virus. You can also do it not here, but you can just type in virus scan, or if you have, for example, I don't know, a Bitdefender, you open Bitdefender up and there will be a button just to run a quick scan. And also yeah, you should update your firewall regularly and do quick scans for viruses and malware occasionally to ensure that that's not an issue for your programs. Yeah. And lastly, I just want to say that it's a good idea to update your system regularly, because if your PC is not on the latest version, this can cause issues. Yeah. So thank you guys for listening or for tuning in. I hope you know that I really love you guys. I love your support. Please leave a like, a comment, anything, and share it with your friends. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.